Hi everyone, today we're going to walk you through the process of adding customer data in Brevo. Begin by clicking on the Contacts section of your dashboard. Next, look for the option labeled Import Contacts and click on it to start the import process. You'll see several options for importing your contacts. Choose the one that best fits your needs and click Continue. For this example, let's select Import from a file. Click on this option to proceed. You can either select your file from your computer or simply drag and drop it into the designated area on the screen. Once you've selected your file, click Confirm your file to ensure it's ready for import. Now you'll need to map your data fields, such as first name, last name, email, and so on, to the corresponding fields in Brevo. This step ensures that all your information is correctly organized. After mapping your data, click Confirm Mapping to finalize this step. Next, choose the list where you want to add your imported contacts. If you don't already have a list, you can create one. Once you've made your selection, click Confirm List to continue. Finally, review your choices and click Confirm Import to begin the process. After a short while, you'll receive a notification confirming that your import was completed successfully. That's it! Your contacts are now imported and ready to use. If you encounter any issues, double-check the file format and mapping options. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you understand how to add customer data in Brevo.